The digital landscape is rapidly evolving. Businesses and individuals alike are embracing the transformative power of cloud computing. Cloud services offer unparalleled flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. They empower organizations to streamline operations, enhance productivity, and unlock new avenues for innovation. In today's technology-driven world, proficiency in cloud computing is a highly sought-after skill. As organizations increasingly rely on cloud platforms, the demand for skilled professionals who can manage and optimize these environments continues to soar. This is where Microsoft Azure enters the picture. Microsoft Azure stands out as a leading cloud platform, empowering businesses worldwide to embrace digital transformation. Its comprehensive suite of services caters to diverse needs, from basic computing and storage to advanced analytics and artificial intelligence. Azure's global infrastructure ensures high availability and low latency, enabling organizations to operate seamlessly across geographical boundaries. One of Azure's key strengths lies in its hybrid cloud capabilities. Organizations can seamlessly connect their on-premises infrastructure to Azure, creating a unified and flexible IT environment. This hybrid approach allows for a gradual transition to the cloud, minimizing disruption and maximizing existing investments. Moreover, Azure's commitment to security is paramount. With a multi-layered security approach encompassing physical data centers, operational practices, and robust security tools, Azure provides a trusted environment for organizations to store and process their valuable data. In the realm of Microsoft Azure, the AZ-104 certification stands as a testament to your expertise in Azure administration. Achieving this certification validates your skills and knowledge in managing Azure subscriptions, configuring virtual machines, implementing storage solutions, ensuring network connectivity, and safeguarding cloud resources. The AZ-104 certification is globally recognized, demonstrating your ability to effectively manage and optimize Azure environments. It opens doors to exciting career opportunities in cloud computing as organizations actively seek skilled Azure administrators to drive their cloud initiatives. Whether you are an aspiring cloud professional or an experienced IT administrator looking to expand your skill set, the AZ-104 certification equips you with the knowledge and credentials to excel in the dynamic world of Azure administration. The AZ-104 certification is tailored for IT professionals who are responsible for managing and monitoring Microsoft Azure environments. This includes Azure administrators, cloud architects, DevOps engineers, and anyone involved in implementing and maintaining Azure solutions. Candidates pursuing the AZ-104 certification should have a foundational understanding of cloud computing concepts and a basic familiarity with the Azure platform. Prior experience with Microsoft technologies such as Windows Server and PowerShell can be beneficial. The exam assumes that candidates have hands-on experience with Azure services, including provisioning virtual machines, configuring storage accounts, managing network settings, and implementing security measures. It is essential to have practical exposure to these areas to succeed in the exam. Section 5. Decoding the AZ-104 exam core areas of focus. The AZ-104 exam covers a wide range of topics related to Azure administration. It is essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the core areas to excel in the exam. These areas include Azure storage. This section focuses on managing storage accounts, configuring storage tiers, implementing Azure Blob Storage, and working with Azure Files and Azure Disks. Azure security. Security is paramount in the cloud. This section covers implementing and managing Azure security solutions, including Azure Security Center, Azure Sentinel, and Azure Key Vault. Azure networking. This section delves into configuring and managing virtual networks, load balancers, network security groups, and DNS services in Azure. Azure computing. This section focuses on deploying and managing virtual machines, virtual machine scale sets, and Azure Kubernetes Service or AKS. The exam assesses your ability to perform tasks such as provisioning and configuring storage accounts, implementing network security policies, deploying virtual machines, and managing Azure Active Directory identities. Section 6. Azure Storage Mastering the Fundamentals. Azure Storage is a fundamental building block of many cloud applications. It provides a scalable, secure, and cost-effective way to store various types of data. To excel in the AZ-104 exam, you need to understand the different Azure storage services and how to manage them effectively. One of the key concepts in Azure Storage is storage accounts. You'll learn how to create and manage storage accounts, configure storage tiers, hot, cool, and archive, and set up access policies to control data access. Another important aspect is understanding the different Azure storage services. Azure blobs are ideal for storing unstructured data such as images, videos, and documents. Azure Files provides a fully managed file share in the cloud, while Azure Queues and Tables offer messaging and NoSQL database capabilities. Section 7. Azure Security Safeguarding Your Cloud Environment. Security is of paramount importance in the cloud. As an Azure administrator, you are responsible for implementing and managing security measures to protect your organization's data and applications. The AZ-104 exam thoroughly covers Azure security concepts and best practices. One of the fundamental security services in Azure is Azure Security Center. You'll learn how to use Azure Security Center to monitor your Azure environment for security vulnerabilities, get recommendations for improving your security posture, and detect and respond to security threats. Another essential service is Azure Sentinel, a cloud-native security information and event management (CM) solution. Azure Sentinel helps you collect, analyze, and correlate security data from various sources, including Azure services, on-premises systems, and third-party applications. Section 8. Resources and strategies for exam success. Preparing for the AZ-104 exam requires a structured approach and access to reliable resources. Microsoft offers a wealth of learning materials, including official documentation, online courses, and practice exams. One of the most valuable resources is the official Microsoft Learn platform. Microsoft Learn provides free interactive learning paths specifically designed for the AZ-104 exam. These learning paths cover all the exam objectives in a structured and engaging manner. In addition to Microsoft Learn, consider exploring online training courses offered by reputable training providers. These courses often provide in-depth coverage of exam topics, hands-on labs, and practice questions to reinforce your learning. Section 9. Conclusion. Elevate your career with AZ-104 certification. In today's cloud-centric world, the AZ-104 certification holds immense value for IT professionals seeking to advance their careers in Azure administration. By achieving this certification, you demonstrate your expertise in managing Azure subscriptions, configuring virtual machines, implementing storage solutions, ensuring network connectivity, and safeguarding cloud resources. The AZ-104 certification validates your skills and knowledge, making you a highly sought-after candidate for organizations embracing Azure cloud solutions. It opens doors to exciting career opportunities, increased earning potential, and professional recognition. As you embark on your AZ-104 certification journey, remember that dedication, perseverance, and a thirst for knowledge are your allies. Embrace the learning process, leverage the available resources, and approach the exam with confidence.